how to edit your site boundary after you have created it. The first thing to do is to make your way to the National Education Nature Park website and log in. Then via either your dashboard or the search bar, find the Create Your Site Boundary activity. Then scroll down and click Launch Activity. This will launch the Site Boundary Creator tool. Then in the address bar, type in your postcode and this will take you to your site. So we have two issues on this site. The two issues are that I have two polygons overlapping one another and I do not have one polygon that encompasses my entire site. Remember, for your site boundary, where your buildings and your outside space are all together on one site, you just want one boundary around all of them. So the first thing I'm going to do is to delete this site boundary and then edit this site boundary. To edit, make sure the tab on the right is selected and then click Select Here. I will then click on the first boundary I want to edit. This is the one I'm going to delete. On the bottom I can see the delete button. I'll click that once. You'll then get a message asking if you're sure you want to delete it. If you click delete here, you cannot undo this, so be sure in your decision. I am sure in my decision, so I'm going to click delete. That has now been deleted. Now I'm going to edit this one. I now select again and the dots come up that I can drag and drop. So I'm going to take these dots and make the polygon go around the whole of the outdoor and indoor space on my site boundary. I'm happy with that, so I go over here just to make sure that the details are all correct, and also make sure I've clicked yes on the boundary confirmation question. This lets the Nature Park team know that you have confirmed your boundary and that you believe it is correct. I'm going to make sure that this says yes. And now I can update my site boundary. Click Update and that gets updated on the national map. I can now leave the Site Boundary Creator tool.